For the preprocessing and data enrichment of the places dataset and visitors preference dataset, I began by loading both datasets and first focusing on the places dataset. I checked for null values in each column and verified if all places were unique. After identifying duplicates based on the name column, I handled them by merging information from duplicate and original rows. Specifically, I combined the latest reviews into one row, calculated the mean values for latitude, longitude, and rating, and updated the address if the correct version. I updated address with the correct version if discrepancies existed. I also summed the ratings, total user ratings from both rows and dropped the duplicate. I applied the same approach to other duplicate entries. After addressing duplicates, I checked for and removed special characters from names, addresses, and latest reviews. Additionally, I removed the mention of Sri Lanka from the formatted address column since all locations were already based there. Next, I proceeded to the visitor preference dataset where I checked for null values and ensured that all names were valid and removed special characters. I handled duplicates by merging preferred activities and bucket list destinations into original row and removing the duplicates. I also validated the email formats and cleaned special characters from the relevant columns. For data enrichment, I focused on filling the null values in ratings and user ratings total columns of the place dataset. I utilized the Google Places API to retrieve place IDs and subsequently fetch ratings and user ratings total, though I was only able to obtain 10 places. To supplement this, I used an external data source from Sevanditania Tourism and Travel Reviews, Sri Lankan destinations. I cleaned this dataset by removing null values and special characters, dropping unnecessary columns, and merging rows with same place name by summing contributions and averaging ratings. After identifying relevant places in this dataset, I used the information to fill in missing values, though only a few places could be updated.
So here is our personalized place recommendation system, and first I'll enter my name and my email. So let's say I like to surf and I'm also interested in safaris. Okay, so now for my bucket list destinations, let's choose something like Mirissa. Okay, so now I'll get my recommendations. So these are my 5 recommendations. So as you can see, Mirissa is on the top, and probability, rating, unique activities, count, and so here you can see that my email has been sent successfully. And now we have our mail here, so it's so here we also have our recommendations here in this. So I'll give you a brief overview about how our code is actually represented here. So we have the two datasets, and we have our app.py, and we have the libraries, and we load data, and we have an email function here, and now we have all our, we use this activity similarity score here, and we use vectors, and we use our random forest classifier model for the training, and we have our once the data is submitted by the user, we will store it in our user data here, and once we run this, we will get our model .pk model.